Now through August is our Spin Win Ride promotion here at Ho-Chunk Gaming Nekoosa. We have hourly hot seats from Thursday through Sunday where you can win up to $500 cash. Grand prize drawings are going to be on select Saturdays, August 1st, 15th, and 29th. Rewards Club members can win an amazing ATV or UTV. Once registered, guests will start earning one entry for every 25 points. The sooner a Rewards Club member registers, the more entries they can earn for the grand prize draw. So register as soon as you can, and we can't wait to see you here at Ho-Chunk Gaming Nekoosa.